So check this out. Remember the meatballs that I made the other day? Actually, it was like 2 days ago. But so I made the meatballs. Swedish meatballs are called, and we didn't use the Swedish gravy and egg noodles, which is typically what you use. You use a Swedish sour cream based gravy and egg noodles or rice or potatoes. Some people use. Well, we're going to do egg noodles tonight. We did pasta 2 nights ago. We're going to do the rest of the meatballs. We only ate half of them. We're going to do the rest of the meatballs and this Swedish sour cream based gravy. So let's get started. So I've got the fire at medium. To this saucepan we're going to add 1/4 cup, that's a half a stick of butter. We're going to melt it down. You don't want to burn it. You just want to melt it down. Fire's a little too hot. Let me turn that down. Once it gets melted, we're basically going to make a roux. All good sauces start with a basic roux, which is typically a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to flour. So to this 1/4 stick or 1/4 cup of butter, we're going to add, sometimes it's a little different ratio, we're going to add a half a cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're going to stir this in good and make a paste, basically just a thick roux. Once it's all constituted, I love the I love the smell of allspice and nutmeg. I just really do. You see, it would be more of an actual roux had it been a 1/4 cup of flour, because this would not make just a paste, it would make a roux like you've seen me make before when I made my gumbo or when I make my chili. I make a roux with both of those. Okay, once it's constituted, and all mixed up and the flour's fairly well consolidated into the butter, we're going to add 4 cups of beef stock. Or beef broth, and a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to stir this well to make sure the flour breaks down and isn't lumpy. Yeah. Messy cook. Well, look at the channel name. Come on, people. We've got our water going here over here for our egg noodles. We can turn the heat back up a little bit. We're going to cook this on medium high, and we're going to do this until it thickens up some. And when that happens, I'll come back. Okay, this is thickened up. So once it's thick, and it didn't take long, only a few minutes. Once it's thick, add 2/3 of a cup of sour cream. Get that incorporated. Once it's thick, you add salt and pepper to taste. I don't think it needs any. That's just me personally. So I did not add any. So we'll whisk the sour cream in and get it nicely incorporated. I have reduced the heat a little bit. And you typically do this right after you get the meatballs out of the oven, so they're still nice and warm. But we've warmed ours up a little bit. I've got the meatballs in there, and I will let this, while we're working on the egg noodles, I'm going to let these meatballs make sure that they're heated through in this gravy. Oh, it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. And when everything's heated through and the egg noodles are done, I'll come back. So here it is, with some green beans. Got some over my egg noodles. How's it taste? Oh. This is good stuff. Really good. Really good. So there you have it. Quick and easy Swedish meatballs. With a twist. Made my way.